this kind of ecosystem in the geographical areas wherever we are. So I have a very small presentation. Some slides will show what we do, what we are, and then a couple of slides that how we are going to deal with the customers, or how we are going to build an ecosystem which can make everybody say, "Khul ke saans lo." So Mr. Jiledar has explained the kind of infrastructure, kind of growth industry will be having, so I'll not spend time on that. Presently, we are at 6% natural gas in the energy mix. It is going to be 15%. Customers are going to be 10 times in the domestic segment. We will have CNG stations 5 times what we have today. And we have pipelines coming in, trunk pipelines, 27,000 kilometers, and LNG terminals are been built for 72.5 million ton capacity. So this infrastructure is coming in, and this is where we exist, and we are likely to exist. So we assume that that trunk infrastructure, gas will flow, gas will come to our geographical areas. Wherever it will not be, then we will make some alternate solutions like bringing LNG and try to give the gas to consumers. Now, Think Gas is a relatively very new company in the complete hemisphere of city gas business. Uh, we, uh, we started this company in 2018, and today I think almost we will be completing 2 years in May. So the mission was to create a CNG or natural gas ecosystem which can empower the people of the country or people of the area to opt for change. Change from existing fuels, whether it is liquid fuels, solid fuels, or alternate gaseous fuels. So this is the vision and this is the mission we set up for ourselves, that wherever we work, we try to achieve this. And I'm thankful our CEO, Mr. Hardeep Roy, is also here. My colleague, Tarang Arora, is also present. So we all share the same mission and vision to achieve this objective. Currently, we are present in 4 states, and we have 11 districts comprising of 6 geographical areas. These geographical areas are Ludhiana, Jalandhar, each is having 3 districts, Kapurthala, Barnala, SBS Nagar, and Jalandhar. Then we have in MP, Bhopal, Shivpuri, Rajgarh district, and Begusarai in Bihar, and we had an addition in Baghpat in UP area. So we cover almost 34,000 square kilometer area, and we touch the hearts of 21 million people, more than 21 million people in these geographical areas. This is what we do. As I explained, that we are building the infrastructure. So what we consider that it is not the CGD infrastructure we have to build. We consider that we need to build the customer base. Customer will indicate the ecosystem. So presently we are having a target of 245 CNG station, 5 LCNG stations, 760 kilometer pipeline, and 11 city gate stations which we have planned in these geographical areas. We are already operational in almost all the geographical locations except Begusarai, where we have done only piping work, but CNG stations are total, we are operating as of now 16 31 kilometer pipeline, and presently we are carrying the cascade operation. So we have completed our first year PNGRB target, and we are on course for the second year target. These are our core values, which are customer focused. Customer is right in the forefront. Whatever we do, whatever we achieve within the company or with our contractors, with our suppliers, we keep the customer in focus. So the main key parameter of this value is our all internal systems, procedures are aligned to our customer expectations and customer experience which we want to offer to the market. In the process of doing this, we keep safety in mind, we keep environment uh, in mind, and we are courageous to take some of the decisions which help us to be very efficient in the marketplace to achieve our goal. Other than that, the integrity is the other a core value where we are transparent to our stakeholders in doing the business, including our customer, what we do, how we are going to supply them material, etc. Our shareholder, I Squared Capital, is US based and presently hold the 13 billion assets, $13 billion value assets, I Squared Capital. They are 100%, they have 100% shareholding in the company. These are few breakthrough moments. We started our CNG operation in July. That was our first station. And gradually we have penetrated into other geographical areas. Presently we are selling almost 16,000 kg gas in through 16 CNG stations across the geographies. We are also we have also adopted LNG distribution for Bhopal, the geographical area, where one of the pipeline which were to come, that Malavaram Bhilwara pipeline, that has not come in one of the district, Bhopal. So we had to opt for LNG solution. We are setting up LCNG stations, 3 in number presently, which may grow as we spread in the geography. And we will be starting that operation, and I think next month, for supply of gas through LCNG station. So this is what we, this is what our geographical area and other features were. Now coming to this subject, customer, how we are going to approach to a customer. So what we believe that, as I earlier said, that CGD infrastructure is something which is physical. We just create pipeline, we just create some CNG station, we create MDP pipeline, but ultimately customer is the most important person in the ecosystem. Unless he is developed, unless he accepts the change, the system is not going to work. The value chain is not going to work. So this is where we want to focus that more and more. And what we believe that customer needs success stories on the ground. So we need to create some success stories, exchange some notes and with the other partners, and share with the customers and give him the experience which he enjoys. The customer need to associate.
Mr. Sandeep, you have
Yeah.
to summarize within 2 minutes.
Okay. I'll not take more. So customer need to associate with the product, its values, its performance, not with the, I'm giving him cheap, I am giving him some discount, he will use it. He must see some value in the product. He should feel proud of using natural gas, a clean fuel, which he can associate and create value in the society. So this is the key focus area which we are keeping in mind. We are approaching our customer with these solutions. We want to help them to convert to natural gas also. Like in industrial customers, we don't want to see that gas has come, now you change within and gas will put to the application. So we need to, we are going to work with the customer till the application point, make sure that all the changes and the technology have been adopted to make sure that the fuel is used continuously. So safety, innovation, and will be the part of this. We are working on various solutions in CNG side, in PNG side, so that we can deal with the problems what Mr. Jilledar has listed out. See, we strongly believe these are the problems known to the last 20 years. The sector has completed almost, I think, 20 years plus in the CGD. These are the problems which are existing, and we want to deal with them. We want to deal with them with innovation. We want to deal with them with technology, and we want to deal with them with commitment. Thank you very much. Thank you.